Hi, good morning, and wishing you a very happy new year. So, welcome. This is the last chapter, Inborn Errors of Metabolism. All inborn errors are associated with protein molecules. Synthesis of proteins are generally controlled. These genetics are mutated at the time of inheritance or a birth. A mutation occurs when DNA gene is damaged or changed the message. Gene is a segment of DNA chain that contain instruction for complete protein. A lot of information is passed from one generation to another, like color of hairs, eyes, skin, behavior, etc. Mendel was a monk who carried these experiments on garden peas. An experiment was named as Mendelian law of inheritance. Mendelian law of inheritance holds good for animal species including human beings. Genetic engineering. It involves isolation and manipulation of DNA, where the defective portion of DNA molecule is removed. The right sequences inserted at this point to produce correct desired DNA. Molecules containing both human and bacterial DNA sequences joined together have been produced. These are called chimeric DNA. The hybrid DNA molecule is then inserted. This method is called cloning. The correct DNA sequence is cleaved off from the plasmid. Disorders of protein molecule. Diseases are alkaptonuria, phenylketonuria, tyrosinemia type 1 and type 2, neonatal tyrosinemia, albinism. Alkaptonuria. It is very rare hereditary disorder of tyrosine, and the urine in these diseases on standing become darker in color and may finally turn black. This is the defect in enzyme homogentisate oxidase. In normal person, tyrosine is metabolized to homogenistic acid to methyl acetoacetic acid. Further, metabolism of homogenistic acid is prevented. This intermediate compound accumulates blood. Homogenistic acid is excreted in urine. Homogenistic acid in urine on exposure to oxygen oxidized to colored pigment. Accumulation of homogenistic acid in cartilages causes arthritis in older patients. Phenylketonuria. It is referred as PKU due to deficiency of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. This is responsible for the breakdown of essential amino acid phenylalanine. In normal condition, enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase convert phenylalanine tyrosine that is then utilized by the body. Since phenylalanine cannot hydroxylated to tyrosine, it accumulates. It is transminated to phenyl pyruvate that turn reduced or oxidized to form phenyl acetate and phenyl acetate respectively. Much phenyl acetate is conjugated in liver with glutamine and excreted in urine as phenyl acetyl glutamine. The accumulated metabolites cause damage to central nervous system, resulting in acute neurological symptoms. Inborn error of metabolism with neurological abnormalities are also called neurometabolic disorder. Accordingly, half of the phenylketonurics exhibit mild to marked microcephaly. Biotin is by obligatory factor. Any metabolism will lead to PKU symptoms. Nutritional management involves phenylalanine restricted diets. Cost of importing is limitation. And these are the protein hydroxylates derived from casein or ox serum protein. So this is a table where you have to remember the disorder name PKU, which amino acid is involved, PHEB high, which enzyme is responsible or having a defect, PAH, and additional biomarkers. So additional biomarkers, you can learn one or two. And disorders names, you have to remember tyrosinemia 1, 2, 3, bioprotein, biofactor. So you should be remembering these. And if you see amino acid in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, it is phenyl B high all. And in tyrosinemia, it is TYRB high. So it is easy to remember. And others, the enzyme PKU-PAH, bioprotein cofactor GTPCH, bioprotein cofactor biosynthesis. You can again you can remember one of these three. So if because it would be easy to remember and attempt these questions in examination. So it is aromatic amino acid disorders. Next one is tyrosinemia. It is due to tyrosine defects in catabolism. Three types: tyrosinemia 1, 2, and neonatal tyrosinemia. So improper breakdown leads to abnormal accumulation. When there is not a breakdown, a normal breakdown, so abnormal accumulation of tyrosine and its metabolites, all metabolites collected in the liver, and it results in liver disease. So results in liver disease, it is also called hepatorenal tyrosinemia. There is a deficiency of fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase enzyme. It converts fumarate acetoacetic acid to fumaric acid and acetoacetic acid and its conversion to succinyl acetone. There are different types of inborn illness due to various deficiencies. So you can see down disorders of lipid metabolism is given here. Niemann-Pick disease. Defective enzyme is sphingomyelinase. Major storage composition is sphingomyelinase, and these are the symptoms: hematomegaly, splenomegaly, and mental retardation. Farber's disease, ceramidase. Ceramide is a major storage component, and it has due to this we have painful and deformed joints. Gaucher disease, this is beta glucosidase, and major storage component is glucocerebrosidase. So because it is related to cerebrum, so hepatomegaly, splenomegaly, osteoporosis, mental retardation, all the symptoms are there. Krabs disease is beta galactosidase. Galactocerebrosidase is a major component, again hepato, because it is a cerebrum. So hepatomegaly, splenomegaly will be there, mental retardation will be there, and absence of myelin formation. Myelin sheaths are on the nerves, if you have read that structure of nervous system, CNS and all, it has a myelin sheath on the nerves. So absence of that myelin sheath on the nerve it is. So these are the 4 diseases due to the disorders of lipid metabolism. Next one is glycogen storage diseases. So you have to go through it. Organs, what organs? Mainly is the liver and muscle. Sometimes there is this kidney, skeleton. Otherwise, major part is liver, and frequency is unknown mostly, and others is 1/125000. Potential signs, you can write down the signs. Hypoglycemia could be major ones, myopathy, heart defects, hepatomegaly. So hepatomegaly is the major one. If you see everywhere, there would be, you will be finding that hepatomegaly. And inflammatory bowel disease, hepatonuria, or muscle biopsy. So you can write down the 2-3 symptoms and then the treatments. Symptomatic, that is according to the symptoms, to frequent meal uncooked starch to avoid episodes of hypoglycemia, and mostly it has symptomatic liver transplantation, physically modified cornstarch, or enzyme replacement therapies, etc. So this is the one, you can go through it. The common ones are cystinuria, histidemia, and then phenylketonuria, methyl malonyl CoA mutase, deficiency, albinism. Or rare is, these are the blue ones: homocystinuria, alkaptonuria, MSUD is a disease name. If you find MSUD, that means it is a maple syrup urine disease. Cystinuria and cystinosis. So these are the complete structure. You can go through this. It has all this table adjacent to that rare and common disease. It has everything. So these are the tables. You will go through that. All diseases are there, disorders are there. So you can go through the detailed information and be prepared for your exams. So all the best for examinations. And kindly go through these tables very thoroughly. Remember, minute to minute details is very, very important. And thank you. And we have completed biochemistry here, and now we will be starting with another book, that is physiology. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.